Welcome back. Today we'll be installing some new tail lights in a HHR. Let's see how this is done. Here are the part numbers for all the lights. There is a little access hatch right in here. Makes this job easy. You can get to the back of the lights. You're going to need a 10mm 1/4" deep socket. Get the bulb out over here, twist and release the bulb. The new lights have new bulbs already in them, so we could unplug this and get this out of the way. If it wants to unplug, there we go. This is the reverse light first. There's 3 nuts on each one holding it in, and a big plastic retaining clip that puts pressure on the lights. So the retainer will come off, and you could pull the light out. There are little notches that index the light, so it really can only go in one way. The gasket's going to be very thick on the new one, so it's going to take a little bit to compress it down. You're going to slide it in place, get your light in there, fit your retainer in, get the nuts on. I'm going to use just a socket first to snug them down as tight as I can get them by hand. Then we'll put the ratchet on it. You want it nice and even. You don't want to over tighten them too. Make them evenly snug. And plug it in. If you just need to change the bulb while it's still in the car, you could twist this off. They're a little stiff, and pop it out and change your bulb. And repeat the same step on the upper light. I already got this one fitted back in. You could see how much space there is between the light and the body of the car. Once it gets tightened down, it'll kind of compress that gaskets. And these are very thick compared to what came out of the original one. So we have this one here, and we will snug this one down. We got it all tightened down. You could see how much it compressed. The light's plugged in. And before we put the hatch back in, let's make sure the lights work. Very good. Snap our cover back on, and we're all done. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. You took my chair now? Look at me, that's my chair.